Hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. In this video, I'm gonna working on this PB amplifier where the problem is no power. Now I'm just checking the power cord if there is supply, and it has 240 volts. Power cord is already plugged in, and I turn the switch on and it's not turning on. I will check this fuse. My digital tester is set to continuity mode, and this is the fuse, and fuse is good. I will install it back. We need to check the circuit inside, why this amplifier is not turning on. Okay, module is out, and I'm just looking for the internal fuse. And this is the internal fuse, and the rated is 1 ampere, and it is in physical checking, this fuse is busted. I'm just checking the continuity, and it's open. Fuse is defective. We'll double check it if it's really open, and yes, it's busted. Check it again, the continuity, open. I'm just wondering why this fuse is open, so I'm looking for other parts that might cause this fuse is faulty. And this one is diode. I'm just checking on it, and reverse forward test, it has continuity, so meaning this, it's possible this diode is faulty. I remove these tubes to check again that diode, because sometimes it's causing these tubes shorted, causing that diode seems like shorted. I will check it again. Still the same, nothing changed. Diode is shorted. That diode is shorted, and other one is shorted during testing. Now I will remove that diode. No need to remove the PCB board, just solder it on top, and use tweezer to remove one terminal, only one terminal. Like that. Heat it up, and charang, and also on the other side. We need to check these two diodes, because during testing in circuit it's shorted. I will check this one first, and shorted. This diode is okay, not shorted. The rest I check, not shorted. Only this diode shorted. So making sound for the continuity. Next thing to do, we have to remove that diode. This diode is a rectifier diode. It's an ordinary diode. I will put some solder on it to make to become easy to remove. I will use my tweezer and lift it up and charan. Diode is out. This diode is okay, so we will install it back. That's it. And soldered it. Done. We'll test it again, and it's really faulty. It's shorted. The value of this diode is IN4003. It's rated on the body of the parts. Now we'll replace the diode. This diode is new. So load it on top, no need to remove the board. And done. Let's check it again if there's still shorted. And it's good. No shorted. Now we have to replace this fuse, rated 1 ampere. We'll test, and fuse is good. We'll install it. Before testing, we will remove all the tubes to isolate if the fuse will not blow up. And it seems good. Power is okay. Next thing to do, install first one tube at a time. And then on. Power is still there, meaning there is no, the tube is okay. Standby on. Standby off. Power on. Okay. Next, another tube. Installed it. And the same thing what we did on the first tube. On. Power on. Still okay. Standby on. Okay. Alright, so good. Next is another tube. I am doing this because we need to isolate it, because sometimes it's this tube's causing the fuse blown up. So to confirm, we need to install it one by one if all these tubes are working good or not. And it seems good, because once you install the tube and then turn the power on, sometimes the fuse is blown up again. Next thing, I'm going to install this output tubes EL84. And before turning on, you have to put the speaker. And it seems good. Don't forget to put that on the output speaker to avoid damage the output transformer. Now, on. Standby on. PSI meaning tube status indicator. When it's green, the tube status is good. If the PSI is red, meaning you have to replace the tube or do some bias adjustment. Now I'm just checking the output. 1 watt and 20 watts and it's working fine. Ohms switch. Okay. It's working good. Checking the tone control. Drive. Reverb. Yes, it's working fine. Treble, bass, mid, bass, bass. Okay. Mid. Standby off. Sounds will disappear. On. And this is the bias. We have to check the bias of this output tubes EL84 to make it sure that the bias is in correct numbers. I'm getting 27 millivolts and on the other side is 25. Now we have to adjust it. We will make it 28 millivolts or 29. P1 and P2, tube 1, tube 2 showing green indicator. It shows that tube is good, but we need to adjust the bias in correct millivolt. Should be 28. Yes, 28 volt. 28 millivolts. Same on the other side, but sometimes it's not the same because the health of the tubes. But if that green PSI become red, it's an indication that the tube is not good and need to be replaced. Thank you guys, hope you enjoy my video, and if you like my video, don't forget to like, share and subscribe. Thank you so much and we'll see you on my next video.